In this video, I'm going to go over a strategy that is beginner friendly and anyone can do to make anywhere from $100 to $500 per day within the next week, if you put in the work, of course. And I also got a niche you guys could use. So let's go ahead and get started. What's up, guys? It's Ayub from ViralWhirl, and today I want to go over a strategy that not a lot of people are using, and it's totally beginner friendly and won't require you to need an investment if you have an Age PayPal account. But even then, the investment won't be more than $20. And before we get to that, I just want you guys to know that my course, Video Marketing Academy, is coming out soon in the next week. And I'm excited because I've been working on it for the past 3 months to make it the best video marketing course that will get you from 0 subscribers to making $5,000 a month in 90 days. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, click the link in the top right of this video or in the description to sign up for the pre-registration so I can send you a notification email when it's actually out. So to start off, let me show you guys how this strategy works. It involves 2 things, eBay and Taobao. Now, like I said, not a lot of people are using this method. So let me explain to you what you're going to be doing. You're going to be finding products on Taobao and drop shipping them on eBay. Real easy. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, this dropshipping bullshit again with eBay. But look here, guys. It's a big difference to be dropshipping using Shitty Express and Taobao, okay? Taobao is like the Amazon of China. There's literally everything on there at a way cheaper price. So if you were to dropship on eBay using AliExpress, you'll notice the margins are really low. And there's no way you're going to compete with Chinese sellers on eBay. And you'll notice that most sellers on AliExpress are really just dropshipping items off Taobao, okay? That's why it's at a higher price. So yeah, eBay and Taobao are really good for a beginner because, one, you don't need to go out and buy a Shopify membership. You don't need to build a store. You don't need to buy apps on Shopify. You don't need to do paid ads, Facebook ads. You're using eBay, which is free traffic, and Taobao, which gives you winning products at a low price, and also e-packet shipping through an agent, so customers can be happy. You're getting their items out in 10 to 8 days, not even. So that's why in this strategy we're using Taobao, because like I said, for one, the prices are always low and you can use e-packet shipping, which will get to customers faster. And another reason why I like using Taobao is if you keep just browsing around, like I'm going to show you in a little, you're going to find a gold mine, okay? Gold mine of winning products that's going to make you good money on eBay. So let's get to showing you how this all works. Guys, make sure you like this video if you enjoy value content like this, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, guys, so first things first, first thing you want to do is register for an eBay account if you don't have one. Obviously, you need an eBay account to sell them there. When you first register, I think you can only sell 10 items, and then you could lift that. There's a lift where you call them up, you call their customer service number, and they'll let you sell more items. I think that's how it works. So basically, this is Taobao right here. It's a Chinese website, like I said, so it's obviously all in Chinese, and unless you can read Chinese, then you're not going to be able to browse it, okay? You're not going to be able to find products. So I suggest you use the Chrome browser. So Chrome has automatic translation right here. Automatically translates the page, and it's going to translate everything for you. Okay, and how you find products is basically, again, use Google Translate. Go on Google and then translate something, or you could just use small keywords. For this example, I'm going to give you guys a niche, and I'm going to show you how you can search that keyword and find products, okay? And then you use this yuan to US dollar because obviously, like I said, this is a Chinese website. It's like the Chinese Amazon, so everything is in their currency. You need to convert it to see how much it costs, to see if it's going to have a good profit margin, if it's going to sell, whatever. Okay, so basically, to buy on Taobao, you can't just straight up just use your credit card or PayPal to buy on Taobao. You need an agent, okay? And that agent takes care of everything for you. All you do is get the link of the product that you want to buy and then send it to them. They buy the product for you, and then it comes into their warehouse. They usually take pictures of that product, and then once they take pictures, if everything is good to go, it's like a quality control type thing. If everything is good to go, you accept, and then they send it to you to your address or whatever address you want to send it to your customer's address. And then you can enter your address, you send it, and you could use e-packet. E-packet usually ranges from $5 to $10, $15, all depends on the product, how much it weighs. I suggest you guys use products that weigh less than 500 grams just to avoid high shipping costs. So the niche I'm going to give you guys that you guys can use right now on eBay and start making is car badges, okay? Car badges really sell good on eBay. If you don't know, auto accessories sell really well on eBay. Not just car badges, but I found car badges sell really well. And your competition on eBay is going to be basically like this. You're going to find competition that's like Chinese sellers, but you can beat those prices by using Taobao. So let's search for SRT badges, the Hellcat badges that come on the side of the vehicle and the front of the vehicle. Let me do that. SRT badge. Like I said, these are Chinese sellers. That's $15. This guy is selling this for 12 bucks. Pretty sure we could find this for like $3 on Taobao. 12 bucks, okay? So this is $11.90. Let me go show you guys something. If I go on here and search SRT on Taobao, so we found the SRT right here. So this is an SRT badge. That one was for $11. Remember, this one costs around, let's see, black SRT badge. So this one is for $16.80. So guys, that's $2.50. This guy's selling it for $12. And for e-packet shipping, this would only be like $2. So the product cost would be like $4 to $5, and then you could sell it for like $9 or $10. He's selling it for 12. You could sell it for $9, $10. Make like a $5 profit off that. And remember, you're not gonna be selling only one badge, okay? You're not only gonna be selling one item. You're gonna have lots of items, okay? Lots of items. So if you can get like listing to 200 items a month or 300 items on your store, and you get only one sale on 10 items for $5, that's $50 a day, okay? So remember, it's all about quantity. You want to have the most products on your eBay store to sell more. And like I said, you need to lift that limit at first. They give you a limit, and you need to lift that. So you just got to be patient at first, okay? You're not going to be making a lot at first, but you got to be patient just so they can lift your limits. And then once you list like 500 items on your store, 1,000 items, you can start selling even more. And like I said, this niche, it's going to sell really well if you get these items off Taobao. And your competition is going to be Chinese sellers, okay? And you'll notice that sellers from the US sell these products for way more, okay? So this guy is selling these two pieces of the Scat Pack emblem for $16, okay? You could get one piece for $2.50 and then put them in a bundle. You can bundle items up. You just got to be creative with it. So this guy, that product cost for these two is going to be $5, and he's selling it for $17. So these bundles usually sell really well. Let's see how many sales this product has got. Okay, so as you can see, this guy sells these items. You could like basically copy what this guy's selling, okay? Go through his store. He has 992 products. Go through his store, see the best-selling item, and then copy them. All you got to do is get them off Taobao. I'm pretty sure this seller right here, this is the seller page, by the way. This is the product page, and this is the seller page. Once you go on the seller's page, it shows you every item that he's selling. I'm pretty sure he's selling every single badge that there is. That this guy has, at least. This is for Camaro. Okay, this is the LT1 for the Camaro. 13 sold. So I'm pretty sure you could find this on this guy's store, the LT1 badge. And then, like I said, you got to be creative with it. You could bundle them up, sell 2 badges, sell 3 badges for even cheaper than this guy, okay? So you just got to be creative with it. So that's a niche that I showed you guys. Like I said, on eBay, auto accessories usually sell really well. And you'll find on Taobao that you'll find a lot of auto accessories. And if you click this button right here, it's going to show you related items. So auto accessories sell really well. Try to find products, winning products within the auto accessory. And this is for the Jeep. So if you go around on eBay and search for other sellers selling stuff like, let's say they're selling water bottles. You could literally go on Google Translate, find translate water bottles to Chinese, and then put it here, search it, and you'll find water bottles way cheaper than what they're selling on eBay, okay? And you'll find stuff cheaper than Chinese sellers. And if you know a thing or two about eBay, you'll find that Chinese sellers are the cheapest on eBay, okay? The cheapest you can find on eBay are Chinese sellers. And you can find cheaper prices on Taobao and resell them on here, on eBay. And basically, guys, to actually buy the items, like I said, you can't just go ahead and buy them off your credit card. You have to use an agent. So the agent I use is Basetao, okay? They got really low prices. I prefer Basetao. Let me just log in here and show you guys the interface. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is where you recharge your account. So when someone buys off your eBay store, you will go ahead, take the money. And by the way, guys, like I said before, you need an aged PayPal account. If you don't want to invest anything, you're going to have an aged PayPal account, meaning a PayPal account that's been around for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years that you've been using, okay, that you've been using, buying with, selling with, whatever that you've been using. because then they're not going to have that 21-day hold. If it's a brand new account on PayPal, they have a 21-day hold. So whenever someone buys a product off your page, your eBay account, they're gonna put a hold to those funds, okay, for 21 days until you ship out the item and give them the tracking number. That's when they release. But if you have an aged account, I'm pretty sure they don't hold, because on my account they never held any funds, okay? So I basically wait for someone to buy a product on eBay. Once they buy that product, I come here on Base Tao, I press recharge, and I take those funds that they paid me with and then recharge, and then I buy the item. So to buy the item, all you got to do is go on the product page. So let's say we want to buy this item right here, this flashlight, or this one right here, this SRT badge. Go on Base Tao, go on the home page, enter the URL right here, and then you'll have the option to buy it right here. You choose the color you want, and then whatever, and then add to cart. Once you add to cart, you go to cart, and then you check out, you buy it, and you're going to have to wait a day or two. Once you wait a day or two, you're going to check my orders. Okay, my orders, and within the my orders page, you're gonna have the products right here. Okay, you're gonna have the products right here, and when you're ready to ship them, all you do is select and submit to ship, and you choose the address. Usually add the address for your customers on the address book. Click address book, add the address, and then submit to ship. And you'll notice once it's in the warehouse, they're gonna have like product photos just to see if everything is good, if there isn't any defects with the product, whatever. See, I was selling these during Valentine's Day, I told you guys, and I had this one left over. So yeah, like I said, you check here if there's any defects with it. If there's anything wrong with it, you could ship it back to them. They'll give you another product. Okay, they'll send back another one. And this really helps with your customers. You could send them these pictures if you want, just to like build trust or whatever. Just so they know you're not scamming them or whatever, but you're not gonna have that problem. So like I said, all you do is when the product arrives in the warehouse, select here and then submit to ship. It's gonna give you the options to which address you want to ship to and what option you want to ship with. Is it e-packet? Is it China Post? Whatever. Always choose e-packet. That's the fastest one. You'll have the product shipped to your customer, tracking number ready within 4 days of them ordering, okay? Within 4 days of them ordering, you'll have the tracking number available and the product already shipped. So you're not going to have to worry about all that hassle. Just like with AliExpress, you usually have to wait like 8 to 10 days for them to just give you a tracking number. That's why I don't like using AliExpress. Taobao is way better, especially when using it with eBay. So like I said, guys, search products on Taobao, see how they're doing on eBay, see if they're selling well, see whoever's selling them, go on their page, see what else they're selling, and then basically copy what they're selling. Go on Taobao, find all the products that they're selling, and list them on your store for an even cheaper price. Okay, so $15, you could get these badges for like $4, and then sell them for $10. $4, you could ship them out for like $2 to $3, and then you could sell them for a profit of $6 to $7. Pretty good, especially if you have a lot of quantity. And that's it, guys. That's it for today. If you guys want more videos on eBay or Taobao, I can put more videos out on Taobao because I really do have experience with Taobao, dropshipping with Taobao, finding suppliers on Taobao, everything like that. Go ahead, put it in the comments below. Okay, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe for more value content. I'm gonna be posting content all week, so stay tuned for that, guys. And that's it. Peace.